Welcome to this Pason Minute. User Calculated Trace, UCT, is an easy-to-use tool that enables customers to create a new trace through custom calculations of any existing EDR system trace. There are two editor apps used to create UCTs. One is web-based tools intended for experimenting and remotely creating a trace to send to a rig. The other tool is accessible on any Pason Rigsite workstation, letting you create and apply UCTs because of its PDSA connection to the network. UCTs range from one-line formulas to complex page-long algorithms using Excel-like math expressions, variables, and logic for traces using real-time data.